Welcome back, viewers, and we are getting in some breaking updates from the Rajya Sabha elections that were held today. And the latest updates from the Rajya Sabha election state that Rajasthan Congress have won 2 seats, while the BJP has bagged 1 seat in the state of Rajasthan. Jagan Mohan Reddy has won all 4 seats. And while Gujarat results are still awaited even as we speak, Madhya Pradesh BJP has now won 2 seats and Congress has won 1 seat in the state. Latest updates coming in even as we speak right now. We do know that a total of 19 Rajya Sabha seats elections were to be held between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the results are out. In fact, we'll go across to Anuj, who's also joining us live from Jaipur. Anuj, over to you. We do know that in Rajasthan, Congress has won 2 seats while BJP has bagged 1 seat.
Well, exactly out of 19, this was the 3 seats on which this election held today. That's the Rajya Sabha election in the state of Rajasthan. And it was under controversy after Ashok Gehlot made the allegation that the kind of horse trading being attempted by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But if we talk about the latest, then now we are learning the result is out. This is 2 seats for the Congress and 1 seat for Bharatiya Janata Party. And let me tell you, if we go through the numbers wise, then this is, if we talk about the candidate of the Congress, then this was K.C. Venugopal and Neeraj Dangui. So K.C. Venugopal got 64 and Neeraj Dangui got 59. So that's the number. And Rajendra Gehlot is from Bharatiya Janata Party, and he got 54. So that's the number. And if we total 64 and 59, then we have to keep in mind, if we talk about the total number of the Congress MLAs, then this is 127. And it comes to 64 and 59 comes to 123. So they have gotten the support of the other parties also, as the BSP is there in the alliance, and the other smaller party also in the alliance. The total number is 124. And let me tell you, this is something the Congress was not themselves confident of, because we were seeing the kind of insecurity when we were seeing the resort politics which started from the residence of Ashok Gehlot itself. Ashok Gehlot called his MLAs as if there was no security of the MLAs, and the allegation was made in that the kind of the horse trading is being done by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the numbers are out, and yes, this was very much sure from the beginning only, as the Congress party in the state of Rajasthan, if we talk about the assembly, then this is 200 MLAs assembly, and the Congress party is having 107. So 51 was the requirement, and 64 is something what K.C. Venugopal got. 59 is something what Neeraj Dangui got. So that's very much clean sweep. That's very much clear that 2 MLAs is from Congress. I beg your pardon. 2 Rajya Sabha MP is from the Congress party and 1 from Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes.
Right. In fact, Anuj, stay with us. We'll also go across to our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us live. So, Aishwarya, it seems like all the efforts and panic mode in which the Congress was working in Rajasthan has worked for them. We do know that the Congress has won 2 seats in Rajasthan and BJP has bagged 1 seat.
Well, that's right, and then Congress has been able to keep its flock together, whether it is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat also, though the results are expected. But what we are being told that only in the state of Manipur, where the Congress was able to bring down the BJP government into minority, BJP has been able to get its own candidate elected. So yes, in total, there is not a very negative report coming in for the Congress party in these Rajya Sabha elections. So yes, we can say that Congress regional players have been able to maintain their clout.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Aishwarya and Anuj, for joining us. We'll also, in fact, slip into a short break after this. We'll come back with lots more on the Rajya Sabha elections. Stay tuned.